Hi there, I'm Mike Sanu. I'm going to be walking you through a very quick video where we go over the business process considerations. So let's go ahead and begin. Throughout this module in particular, we've talked about workflows and staging. Using them in tandem will really help us take control of our site, make sure that everything is perfect when it gets to our users. So first of all, setting up a workflow for both content and pages ensures that the very best version of a site is being published. We want to make sure the right people see it, approve it if it's good, or send it back to the appropriate parties for changes. It really helps your team be efficient and also keeps them on the same page with where the process is at. So using staging and workflows together is necessary to create the full business review process. This review process will make sure that the entire philosophy of your site is being honored. The stakeholders are pleased, everything is working correctly, and the appropriate content is going to be shown to who it needs to get to. As we've said before, pages and content should both go through a workflow before being ready to go live. And the great thing is that Liferay comes ready with the tools to make sure that these things can happen. So putting everything together, what does this actually look like? There's a lot of different pieces, so we're going to go through a basic example as to what this would look like. So off the bat, content creators start the process by adding content to the platform, adding metadata, assigning content to display pages, and then submitting it to review. Admins, or content reviewers if you choose to create that role, are then going to be responsible for reviewing the content. Once content is approved, content creators are able to add it to a page. These pages are then sent to administrators and your design team for review, and once finally all pages are approved, then one last check should be done over the entire site. Once we see that approved status for absolutely everything, we can finally be published to live. Very good. Like I said, a very short lecture here. We've arrived at our knowledge check. If you'd like to, go ahead and pause me, and you can fill this out on your own or go over it on your own. If not, let me continue, and we'll go over it together. So content should be created, reviewed, and placed on a page. Pages should have workflows placed on them and be reviewed in staging before publishing to live. Set workflow definitions for pages under the workflow section of configuration in site administration. That wraps up this video. I'll see you in another.